Hi there, Adrian Jones here from Tradeology. I'm making a series of short videos which I call Traders Bites. The purpose of this is to regularly share my insights into how you can become more successful as a trader with a few short tips and ideas. These can be listened to at your own leisure, in your own time, and gradually we will have an entire series for you to cover whenever you'd like and as often as you prefer. Please remember to subscribe to our channel below to receive notifications whenever a new video is released so that you don't miss any. Now, today's topic is common mistakes that traders make. In this series, I will discuss the typical trading mistakes that cause as much as 95% of all traders to fail. Now, you might find this topic to be a negative type note, but the earlier you face these issues in your trading career, the higher your chances are of becoming a very successful trader. Remember that the golden rule is always to protect your capital. This will keep you from unnecessarily committing the same fatal mistakes that other traders who are well ahead in their journey have experienced to get them to where they are now. The information I will present is a result of our observation of the contest, traders, methods, and results of the Surefire Trading Challenge, or SFTC. This was the largest independent forex trading competition in the world, aside from being one of the longest running trading competitions in trading history. Now, over the years, SFTC displayed very high transparency and high quality results, and it has gained the respect of great traders and high net worth individuals all around the globe. The contest had two phases. The demo trading round preceded the qualification for the live trading round, where traders were provided with a $1,000 live account to trade. It was guided by very strict rules that evolved through experience over time, so each competition was better, bigger, and more challenging than the last. SFTC had produced several successful traders and respected teachers in this field, such as Christina Kiraya, Pete Swart, and Toshko Raichev, to name a few. Now, SFTC had a running total of more than 10,000 members in its trading community, where traders all around the world interacted and shared their passion in trading. After 16 competitions, over $200,000 in cash prizes, and over $150,000 worth of live accounts that were used during the live trading round, the competition ran its course. One shocking truth about the competition is that during the live trading rounds, up to 75% of traders who took part lost. In the first week, up to 50% of traders lost, and every week thereafter, another 50% of the remaining traders lost. Only 10% of traders ended in positive after the final round. And what we found was astonishing. It wasn't because their systems were bad or that they were trading live. It was because they did something different in the live round than how they traded in the demo round. This caused them to blow their accounts. To help prevent this from happening to you on your trading journey, we will cover and unpack what we discovered that is relevant to every trader, whether a newbie, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Things you should try and what you should avoid doing. Remember to subscribe to our channel below and click on that bell if you haven't yet done so. And there is a link in the description to a free 3-step trading plan to get you started with a profitable system that I'll take you through step by step. No obligation, so please do make sure you access that while it's available. Until the next time, wishing you a profitable trading day ahead. Please remember to subscribe once again to our channel below to receive notifications so that whenever a new video is released, you won't miss any. And again, for a free system, also check out our link to that in the description below. Bye for now.